Hello, my name is Supratik Panaganti, and this is my submission for the Coding and Programming FBLA event. As shown by this flowchart, my goal was to allow students to easily verify their status as a student at the school, view upcoming events and their performance records, see the winners of past and current quarters, and register and confirm their attendance at future events. This could be accomplished through a three-step process which consisted of the connection of an efficient user interface, multiple APIs, and a database. The languages I used for the backend were Python, Flask, and other libraries. For the NoSQL database, I used MongoDB, and for the UI, I used React Native. Finally, the tools I used were VS Code, Postman, Command Prompt, MongoDB Compass, and a third-party library called Email.js. This program can run on iOS and Android and the web. iOS and Android users can easily access the program by scanning this QR code. For this demo, I'll be showing you the web version. First, the student enters his or her student number, which is provided when they become a student at the school. They must agree to the terms and conditions to be able to search. If they input a wrong student number that is not valid, they receive an error message. Once they type in their correct student number, the three processes that they can carry out appear. First, the events. Once they click on the events, they see the list of events that they can register for, including sporting and non-sporting events. For example, let's say that the student wants to attend a basketball game. This is the basketball game that is occurring on March 15th, 2023. The details of this match are Denmark High School versus West Forsyth High School. If they're new to registering, they click yes and click register. This sends them a confirmation code, which is also sent to their email. Here, they can get their confirmation code, and once they attend the event, at the event, they will get the attendance ID. Here, they can get their confirmation code. Then they will go back to the event, and once they attend the event, they will get the attendance ID at the event. For this event, the attendance ID is basketball 1234. If they enter a wrong confirmation code, they're met with the confirmation ID not found prompt. If they enter the correct confirmation code but the wrong attendance ID, they're met with the attendance ID incorrect prompt. Once they input the correct confirmation code and attendance ID, they can rate the event and attend the event. This successfully gives them the point and tells them that they have participated in the event. Another feature is that the students can check their standing, which shows their name, grade, and points. For example, this student's name is Bob. He is in the 11th grade, and he has 3 points, which means he has successfully registered and attended 3 events. Finally, the winners. This calculates the winners for each quarter and displays it so that the user can see the student with the highest points and a random winner for each grade level every single quarter. Now I'll be showing you the database. This is the student table, and it stores all of the student data that is registered when the student becomes a member of the school. This is the event table, and it stores all of the event data relating to the event when a new event is created. This is the student event table, and it merges data from the student table and the event table to create one record that stores information pertaining to the student's registration in an event and if their attendance is confirmed or not. This is the winners table, and it stores all of the highest and random winners for each grade level and quarter along with the student's name, reward, and points. Next, I'll be showing you the backend code. These are the libraries that I imported and utilized. First, the events list API gets the event information from the database. Then, the student API uses the student number and gets the account with that number to see if it is a valid student number. Next, the event registration API, which posts information about the student to the student event table to create a registration record each time the student registers for an event. After that, the event attendance API posts information that verifies the student's attendance and awards them a point. Then the student performance API gets information about the student, such as their points, grade, and name, so they can see how they're doing. Finally, the winners API. It calculates the highest and random winners for each grade level every quarter and sends it to the winners table. Finally, I'll be showing you the front-end code. This is the code for the home screen. This includes the input field at the start screen and the input checkbox at the terms and conditions. This is also the code for the terms and conditions checkbox on the home screen. This is the screen that shows the user the events. This is the event registration and attendance screens. And this includes the input radio buttons for attendance and the input stars for rating. This is the student standing page, and it shows the student how they are doing. This is the winners page, and it includes the input dropdown for the winners and also the table that shows all of the winners. Try-catch blocks are used to validate user entry with user notification and error messages, including the use of required fields all throughout the code. Thank you.